Hi. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do A/B testing on YouTube thumbnail. So first, you must be eligible. I mean, you must have the exact requirement in order for you to have access to this feature. So before you proceed with uploading your video, you will see this thumbnail right here where you can see this test and compare different thumbnails. And all you have to do is to upload the three thumbnails that you have. You will see here the instruction. You just have to click this question mark. And as you can see, you need to wait for 2 weeks in order for you to see the result of the winning thumbnail. So as you can see here, I have uploaded my three thumbnails. Let's just say I'm about to upload a video about how to get free nitro or free nitro. So these are the samples of my thumbnails, and I need to wait 2 weeks in order for me to see that winning thumbnail. After 2 weeks, you have to go back and then you will see the result. Of course, the one with the highest percentage is like the one who is effective or the winning thumbnail. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Once you have uploaded three thumbnails and wait for 2 weeks, you will see a result like this. So as you can see, thumbnail one is the winner. And of course, you need to use that thumbnail because that is the winning thumbnail. And basically, that's how you do A/B testing on YouTube thumbnail. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.